Okay, let's dive into a new way to talk to our large language models.
Using LLMs, then you know tokens cost money, and standard JSON, it gets expensive fast.
So, say hello to Toon. It's a drop-in, totally lossless replacement for your JSON.
Right, so look at standard JSON. It's just so wordy, you know? All those brackets and commas add up.
Now YAML is definitely an improvement. It drops the braces and quotes, which helps a lot.
But here's where Toon really shines. It uses these slick, CSV-style tables for arrays. Super compact.
So, why is it a big deal? Well, it's efficient, accurate, and just plain easy for models to follow.
And get this, Tone uses almost 40% fewer tokens than JSON. That's a huge saving on your bill.
And it's not just smaller, it's smarter. We're talking nearly 74% retrieval accuracy. Wow!
This chart really says it all. Toon just delivers way more accuracy for every token you spend.
So, what's the bottom line? Better accuracy while cutting your token costs. It's a total win-win. But, it's not for everything. Deeply nested data, you might want to stick with something else. Ready to try it? You can get started right now from your command line. No install needed.
This is a big deal as we scale AI. So could this be the key to unlocking more efficient AI?